Actually, even though the wind will be lower tonight, the actual air temperature is going to be colder. So let's talk about it. You know, this is going to be an agricultural thing. Many people may have gotten excited about the 70s and some of those 80s we saw and maybe did some planting. I actually have a hanging plant of cilantro if anyone cares. I'm sure no one do, but I'm going to bring that in or else it's going to get damaged tonight because we have freeze warnings in effect. Here's a look at what's going on right now. We still have a swirl of clouds coming in off of Lake Ontario and the Great Lakes. Now, the precipitation isn't as organized as it was yesterday when we had a slew of showers, but if you look carefully, right here off of Lake Huron, Georgian Bay, and then east of Lake Ontario, we still have a few rain and snow showers. Now, you don't see much southeast of Lake Ontario other than these clouds here, but with this kind of west to northwest flow still during the course of the day, we still can't rule out another passing snow rain shower at almost any time. And that wind, which is still blowing at around 15 miles an hour right now, should again be brisk today. So expect a brisk wind. There'll be a few breaks of sun. Yeah, it feels like early April. High temperature is going to only be in the lower 50s for Syracuse, and some spots will not get out of the 40s. And when you're in early April, right, the temperature can get chilly later at night and tomorrow morning. And if you think it's chilly now, wait till tomorrow morning because, well, we have those warnings and advisories in effect. With skies that should clear out and winds that should diminish, we do have some advisories to discuss for you. First of all, we have a freeze warning in effect for Onondaga, Southern Cayuga, Seneca, and Yates counties. Now, there's still technically a freeze watch in effect for these counties. Now, the National Weather Service in Buffalo will upgrade this. Here's what you need to know. And this is usually the case with any kind of temperature action when you're talking about a low during the spring. You're going to find the coldest temperatures tonight and tomorrow morning away from the lake shores and across the coldest countryside. Now, the city of Syracuse, or at least the airport, North Syracuse should be around 30, 31. Downtown might be more like 32. Oswego, though, will be 39, and then you get to these colder spots like Lafayette and Cazenovia, Cortland, Norwich, and Lansing, and these places should easily be in the mid-20s, and some nook and cranny areas will be even colder than that, lower 20s. After that very cold start, it's going to be a better finish as we should climb to between 55 and 60 with a mostly sunny sky for Tuesday. On Wednesday, clouds, breaks of sun, passing shower, high 68. Well, this is something to look forward to because we'll be in the mid-70s on Thursday with a partly sunny sky and near normal Friday and Saturday, upper 60s to near 70.